Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to recover QI or mana in Black Myth Wukong. Firstly, fight enemies. During combat, you can recover QI by fighting enemies or bosses. However, it can take some time to fully replenish it, and until you've upgraded your spirit, you may not be able to recover enough QI to use it effectively in the same battles, especially during boss fights. 2. Rest at shrines. Resting at shrines is the quickest way to fully recover your QI, along with health and mana. It also removes any negative status conditions you may have. Make sure to rest at shrines between battles or when you are low on QI. And finally, change spirits. When you equip a different spirit, your QI will be fully drained. If you're planning to change your spirit before a boss fight or difficult battle, it's crucial to reset at the shrine after equipping the new spirit. This way, you'll ensure your QI is fully restored before the challenge begins. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.